Well, anyway, so I was told directly that there was going to be this scenario where believers in this nation would be blamed for what was happening in this nation. I was told that directly. 4 categories was given to me in the encounter of who would be blaming us. 4 categories of people in this nation. I'm just not telling you who they are. If you've heard it before, you'd know who they are. So I was able to ask a question, and I did so. I say that way. I'm not always able to ask a question. It's not just like, oh, Lord, tell me this. In that arena, I know some people want to, no, Terry, yeah. I tell you, he's way more God than what we think. The fear of the Lord is real. The terror of the Almighty, especially if the encounter involves the terror of the Lord, knowing the terror of the Lord, and that's real as an experiential time. You're shaking uncontrollably at his very presence. This isn't like, we're just frivolously, tell me this, will you? So I was able to ask a question. How long will this last? How long will they be hunting us? How long will they be killing us? I was told directly 2 or 3 years. I thought to myself, a lot of us can die in 2 or 3 years. I wish I could tell you some really good, make you feel good message. I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm not saying all of us are going to die. That's really too easy. But I'm saying to you, because I was right this morning, Satan's going to see to it that we're blamed. Now, I will tell you this in a good way. You may not like it either, but it's a good thing. So the Lord told me some years ago, he said, Terry, I'm going to force Satan to persecute and kill my people in order to force the end. I might have told that to you, Ralph, you and Sonia at one point. I don't know who all I've told that to. He told me, he said, Terry, Satan knows if he goes to killing my people, a worldwide scope, that he will only trigger, by his forcing that issue, will only trigger God responding by bringing judgment. So the Lord told me, he said, I'm going to do a work in my people. That Satan will have no choice, that in order to stop them, he'll have to go to killing them. And here's kind of how the Lord said it. And he said, and when he does, I've got him. That was the encouragement. Just full of encouragement. I wish I could say to us that the way ahead is going to just be so easy, and everything that's been lost is going to be taken back in one fell swoop, and somebody's going to ride to our rescue. But God is going to bring forth, here's the good news, God is going to have in this nation what I'm calling a vessel called the man-child. Much of what we are seeing is now under the hand of God, him using these drastic measures to test us and prove us in fiery ordeal, cast into the fiery furnace type of thing. So that he can bring us to the throne.